Good morning, my dear students, and welcome to today's video lesson. Dear students, I hope you all are fit and fine in your homes and you all are following the precautions which are required for the prevention of the spread of COVID 19. Please do that and encourage others also to do the same. Very soon, then we will be able to meet with each other. Okay, dear students? Now, today, once again, we will be reading the chapter The Happy Prince, and it has been written by Oscar Wilde. Okay, the writer of this chapter is Oscar Wilde. So, what have we read in the chapter up to now? Dear students, we have read that in a city on a hill there is a statue of a happy prince. Okay, the happy prince, it has a ruby in its sword, sapphire in its eyes, and its body is made of fine gold plated leaves. Okay, then what happens, there comes a swallow in the city. Okay, the swallow, he decides to take rest below the statue of the happy prince, but he finds out that the prince, he is crying. Why the prince was crying? Because when he was living, he was unaware of any misery, any suffering of his people. Okay, but now he was able to see everything. Okay, now he was able to see everything. That's why he was sad and he was crying. Okay, so this is what has happened in the chapter up to now. Before we begin, I would like to remind you that the notebook checking schedule is out. Okay, if you haven't got it yet, you will be getting it very soon. Dear students, please complete your notebooks. Both the notebooks, they should be complete. Moments also and beehive also. Okay, you have to maintain separate notebooks. So when you will be asked to come to the school, you have to come to the school and submit your notebook. Okay, you can ask your parents to do it for you, but now is the time. Please start completing your notebook. Okay, the chapters which we did in the first term and the chapters which we have done up to now, all the chapters will be included. Okay, both of beehive and moments. So I hope there is no problem in this regard. All of you must complete your notebook at the earliest. Okay, your notebook should be complete. Remember that, otherwise you will lose marks for every incomplete chapter. Okay, now dear students, let's start reading the chapter. Okay, we were on page number 29, and I will just remind you a few lines which we had read earlier that day. And now that I am dead, they have set me up here so high that I can see the ugliness and all the misery of my city. And though my heart is made of lead, yet I cannot choose but weep. So, because he was able to see all the misery and all the sufferings of his entire city, that's why he was crying. Okay, that's why he was crying. Okay, what, is he not solid gold? Said the swallow to himself. Now the swallow, he is not concerned about the crying of the prince. What is he concerned about? उसको क्या problem है? उसको ये problem है कि क्या ये solid gold का पूरा जो है gold का बना है या नहीं बना. Okay, but was the happy prince made entirely of solid gold? No, उसकी जो gold जो था वो उसके ऊपर as a प्लेटिंग कवर लगाया था, उसके ऊपर कवर लगाया था, जैसे किसी को क्लोथ्स पहना देते हैं, सिमिलरली उसकी बॉडी के ऊपर उसको लगाया गया था। उसकी पूरी बॉडी गोल्ड की नहीं थी। He was too polite to make any personal remarks. Too polite to make any personal remarks means कि polite होना होता है well mannered होना, humble होना, okay, well behaved होना. So he was far too well behaved to make any personal remarks. Personal remarks क्या होते हैं? जो किसी की बॉडी या स्ट्रक्चर के ऊपर कमेंट करते हैं, ओके, जैसे हम कभी किसी को बोल देते कि वो फैट है. We should not say like this because these are personal remarks, and making a personal remark on anyone is not a good thing. Okay, please remember this. We should never make personal remarks. Okay, it's not a good idea. Far away, continued the statue in a low musical voice. So उसकी आवाज जो थी वो कैसी थी? म्यूजिकल थी, ओके, और वो धीरे से एकदम बोल रहा था, ओके. far away in a little street there is a poor house. Okay, so now he is telling about a poor house. One of the windows is open and through it I can see a woman seated at a table. So there is the window of that house, it is open, and the happy prince is able to see a woman through that window. Okay, her face is thin and worn. Worn means कि पत्ती जो बहुत ही एकदम से जो घिस गया होता है, ओके, जो यूज होने की वजह से घिस गया होता है. Excuse me. And she has coarse red hands. Coarse क्या होते हैं? जो रफ होते हैं, जो स्मूथ नहीं होते. Okay. She has coarse red hands, all pricked by the needle. Okay. All pricked मतलब उस पे कि प्रिक क्या होता है? चुभा हुआ, जो कि जैसे उस पे किस चीज से वो चुभे? नीडल से, नीडल चुभी हुई है उसके हाथों पे. फॉर शी इज द सीमस्ट्रेस. सीमस्ट्रेस कौन होती है? फीमेल टेलर होती है. जो फीमेल टेलर होती है उसको हम सीमस्ट्रेस बोलते हैं, जो फीमेल्स के कपड़े बनाती है. शी इज एम्ब्रॉयडरिंग फ्लावर्स ऑन अ सैटिन गाउन फॉर द लवलीएस्ट ऑफ द क्वींस मेड्स ऑफ ऑनर. ओके, सो वो क्या कर रही है? वो फ्लावर्स एम्ब्रॉयड कर रही है. ओके, एम्ब्रॉयडरी क्या होती है कि क्लोथ्स के ऊपर नीडल और थ्रेड से कुछ डिजाइन बना, तो वो भी फ्लावर्स बना रही है. ओके, क्वीन की मेड ऑफ ऑनर्स के लिए. मेड्स ऑफ ऑनर क्या होती है? सी इन वेस्टर्न कल्चर जो क्वीन होती है वो कुछ अपने फ्रेंड्स को स्पेशल एक पावर टाइप कहती है कि थोड़ा सा उनका लेवल रेस करने के लिए कि हाँ ये औरों से अलग है. ओके, और भी लोग अटेंडेंस हैं वो इम्पोर्टेंट है, लेकिन जो आसपास लोग हैं वो इम्पोर्टेंट. बट मेड्स ऑफ ऑनर वो होती हैं जो उसकी पर्सनल सर्वेंट्स होती हैं और जिनको स्पेशल पावर एक वो होती है कि हाँ ये मेन एक पर्सन है, इसके पास कुछ पावर है, कुछ ऑर्डर्स वो दे सकती है, कुछ एरियाज वो कंट्रोल कर सकती है. टू वियर एट द नेक्स्ट कोर्ट बॉल. कोर्ट बॉल क्या होती है? जैसे कोई इवेंट होता है, कोर्ट बॉल इज लाइक काइंड ऑफ एन इवेंट जहां पे मेल्स और फीमेल्स वो मिलते हैं और वो डांस करते हैं. दैट इज व्हाट अ बॉल इज. ओके, सो अब वो ड्रेस प्रिपेयर कर रही है, वो सीमस्ट्रेस, वो टेलर, किसके लिए? वो क्वीन की मेड ऑफ ऑनर के लिए, ताकि वो उसको कोर्ट बॉल में पहन सके. इन अ बेड इन द कॉर्नर ऑफ द रूम her little boy is lying ill. So in the corner of the room, who's there? A little boy who is lying ill. वो बहुत ही बीमार हुआ है, वो वहाँ पे लेटा हुआ है. He has a fever and is asking his mother to give him oranges. Okay, he has a fever and what he wants to eat oranges. His mother has nothing to give him but river water, so he is crying. So this shows us what? This shows us that the seamstress, she is very poor, okay, and she can only give the boy what? River water, okay. She can only give the boy river water. There is nothing else in the home. Though, what does the boy wants? He wants oranges. Swallow, swallow, little swallow. Okay, now he's talking to the swallow. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you not bring her the ruby out of my sword hilt? So now he's asking the swallow कि will you bring her, क्या तुम उसके लिए जो मेरे स्वॉर्ड के हैंडल में रूबी लगी हुई है उसको ले जाओगे? ही इज आस्किंग दैट, ओके, ही इज आस्किंग कि क्या तुम मेरा ये काम कर दोगे कि जो मेरे स्वॉर्ड के हैंडल में जो रूबी लगी हुई है, विच इज अ प्रीशियस स्टोन, जो बहुत ही कॉस्टली एक आइटम है, उसको ले जाकर तुम दे दो. My feet are fastened to this pedestal and I cannot move. So his feet, they are tied to this pedestal. Okay, जो pedestal बना, जो प्लेटफॉर्म बना हुआ है, okay, उसके साथ बंधे हुए हैं और वो नहीं हिल सकता. Okay, because वो हिल नहीं सकता, इस वजह से वो कह रहा है कि ये जो रूबी है स्वॉलो, ये तुम दे आओ. Okay, I am waited for in Egypt, said the swallow. Waited for in means कि उसका इंतजार हो रहा है. Okay, कुछ लोग उसका इंतजार कर रहे हैं. Said the swallow, my friends are flying up and down the Nile and talking to the large lotus flowers. So my friends, what are they doing? They are flying up and down the Nile. Nile एक river है इजिप्ट में. ओके, यू माइट हैव हर्ड दैट इट्स द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर. ओके, इट इज द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन टर्म्स ऑफ लेंथ. सो व्हाट आर नाउ द swallow is saying, my friends, they are flying up and down the Nile, कि नाइल का जो कोर्स है उस पे ऊपर नीचे हो रहे हैं, and they are talking to large lotus flowers. Soon they will go to sleep. Okay, so फिर वो रेस्ट करने लग जाएंगे, सो जाएंगे. The prince asked the swallow to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. So next the prince asked that please stay with me, तुम मेरे साथ ही रुको और मेरे मैसेंजर बन जाओ. मैसेंजर कौन होता है? जो मैसेज पास करता है एक पर्सन का किसी और पर्सन को. ओके, मैसेंजर का काम से मैसेज को लाने और ले जाने का होता है. The boy is so thirsty and the mother is so sad. So it was true, the boy, he was thirsty, प्यासा था, and the mother, she was so sad. I don't think I like boys, answered the swallow. So now the swallow, he is saying that I don't think I like boys. Okay, I care for them. Okay, उसका मेन इंटेंशन ये है कि वो कन्वे करना चाहता है कि वो केयर करता ही नहीं है. Okay, he is careless about the boys. उसको कुछ फिक्र नहीं है उस लड़के की. ओके, या कोई भी लड़का, जनरल में कोई भी लड़का हो, उसे किसी भी लड़के की फिक्र नहीं है. ओके, आई वॉन्ट टू गो टू इजिप्ट. सो वो सिर्फ इजिप्ट पे फोकस है उसका. ही वॉन्ट्स टू गो टू इजिप्ट. बट द हैप्पी प्रिंस लुक्ड सो सैड दैट द लिटिल स्वॉलो वॉज सॉरी. So the happy prince, he looked very sad. He looked very sad. Okay, so अब क्या हो रहा है कि जो स्वॉलो है उसको प्रिंस के लिए, हैप्पी प्रिंस के लिए बुरा फील हो रहा है. उसे बॉय के लिए नहीं बुरा फील हो रहा था, लेकिन उसे अब हैप्पी प्रिंस को देखकर बहुत बुरा फील हो रहा है. ओके, इट इज वेरी कोल्ड हियर, he said. Okay, the swallow, he said that it's very cold in this place, but he agreed to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. So he finally he agreed that okay, I will stay here and I will be your messenger. Thank you, little swallow, said the prince. So now the prince, he has conveyed his gratitude. जो उसके मन में thankfulness है उसके लिए, उसने उसको वो कह दे कि चलो वो मान गया है. So now something can happen. The swallow picked out the great ruby from the prince's sword. Picked out means उसने उसको निकाल लिया. He took it out. Okay. The swallow, he took out the great ruby from the prince's sword and flew away with it in his beak over the roofs of the town. So जो उसकी बीक होती है, बीक आई थिंक एवरीवन इज अवेयर कि जो उसकी चोंच होती है, ओके, उसमें उसने उस रूबी को होल्ड किया एंड देन ही फ्लू ओवर द रूफ्स ऑफ द टाउन. जो छतें थी टाउन में उनके ऊपर से उड़ा. ओके. सो ही पास्ड बाय द कैथीड्रल टावर. What is a cathedral? Cathedral means church. Church का जो टावर होता है, where the white marble angels were sculptured. What is an angel? Angels are good heavenly spirits. Angels are good heavenly spirits. Okay, they were sculptured there. वो sculptured means वो वहां पर बने हुए थे. ओके, उनको बनाया हुआ था. He passed by the palace and heard the sound of dancing. So he passed by the palace and heard the beautiful sound of dancing. उसने सुनाई दी, वो आवाज आई. Okay. A beautiful girl came out on the balcony with her lover. So there was a girl, she came out on the balcony with her lover. I hope my dress will be ready in time for the state ball. Okay. So what is she saying? She is hoping that her dress will be ready in time for the state ball. जो वो सबका बड़ा, वो एक बड़ा डांस होना है, ओके, जिसमें बहुत सारे स्टेट के इंपॉर्टेंट लोग आएंगे, उसके लिए उसकी ड्रेस रेडी हो जाए. She said, I have ordered flowers to be embroidered on it. So उसका ऑर्डर क्या है? फ्लावर्स एम्ब्रॉयड होने का. बट द seamstresses are so lazy. Now see, she is openly putting the without any proof or without any inquiry, okay, just being concerned about herself, she is saying that the seamstresses, they are very much lazy. Okay, she has said that, she has established that they are very much lazy. Okay, even though she is unaware, उसे पता नहीं है कि भाई seamstress की जो situation है वो क्या है, but irrespective of that, she has said that the seamstresses, they are so lazy. Okay, it means she is concerned about herself. उसे सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोच रही है, उसे अपनी ड्रेस के बारे में कंसर्न है, उसे और लोगों के बारे में कोई कंसर्न है नहीं, उसे कोई चिंता है ही नहीं. ओके, सो यू कैन सी हाउ अनकाइंड शी इज. ओके, इज शी अ काइंड पर्सन? आई डोंट थिंक सो, राइट? एंड यू ऑल्सो, आई थिंक, एग्री विद मी दैट शी इज not very kind. Okay, so dear students, this is your lesson for the day. Today we are going to read till here only, and I'll be sending the list of the chapters which we have done and for which you have to complete your notebook. Okay, so I'll be sending that list. Do check that out, and if you have any confusion in this chapter up to here, please comment, send me a message or give me a call and let me know. Okay, so dear students, this is our class for the day. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.